Woohoo! Yes, another unboxing. And with my helper, Chichi. Okay. Archie, are you gonna help me? Can you explain, huh? So finally, my order from Excellent Photo arrived today. Okay. Oops. It is Westcott FJ400. Finally. Excellent photo. So let's press it. Side. So it comes with the bag already. Fun. It will be at the back. I don't think this camera can see, so I'll just put this down. There we go. Okay. And my assistant, come here. Come here. Wichichi. Yep. That's the deal that I got. So it consists of two FJ400 So the battery is here. So I got two of this. Go. And Wescott, FJX3M multi-brand compatibility, which is the universal. So either you use Sony, Canon, Nikon, so it will work. Oops, it's the corn. Two of these. And this is the true battery. Quite heavy. And the charger. And two charger also. So where is the gel? They said there is a gel. I think this is the gel. Two USB-C type. I'm not sure yet. Multiple color. Okay, I'll show it.
What? Archie, what's the problem?
So it's consists of orange, white, green. Green. Light orange. There's no blue. Okay, there's no blue. see?
What do you want me to do?
See, there's no blue. I don't know why. So maybe I just need to mix and match it, then blue will come. Okay, and then so the bag, carrying bag, everything. So messy now. Yeah, it's very nice. Go, Wescott. So I'm not sure if I can put some of my camera here. No, it's for laptop and iPad. So I don't think I can put the camera. So yeah. Okay, so try it. Turn it on. Turn it on. Wescott. Smooth. Test. There you go. Yes. So it's working. Turn it off. I'll try the different modes later. Chichi. Are you gonna help Papa? He's gonna help me. Okay. And oops. Okay, try again. There you go. FJ400. And test. It's working. That's it. No? So yeah, I'll just check this one also. But I should try it with the camera. Cut!